Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Good morning to me, good morning to you. Good morning everybody, how are you? Just fine. Hello everyone, come back again with Miss Rizka. Today we're gonna learn about farm animals. And before study, let's sing together.
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's try it a little faster. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. Okay, a little faster. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. Okay, super fast.
Okay friend, how it's good, right? Yeah. Okay, today we're gonna learn about farm animals. Let's
Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about farm animals! It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow! Cow! I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow! I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse! Horse! Horses are really fast. Horse! Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep! Sheep! This sheep is so soft. Sheep! Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen! Hen! Hens lay eggs. Hen! Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit! Rabbit! I love rabbit ears. Rabbit! There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there, it's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.